Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossy Stevie, catch your one, you know. Little girl, don't go over the disrespect line. Go and buy a bathing rag and a soap. I can bring the bad pants.
Sponge. We also have to take her home.
Exactly. I used to shape like SpongeBob, but I'm not a sponge. I'm not going to soak up things for love. I tell my man, you know, if him give me one of me first let out statement, I'd rather go up on Google or write something. Guys, I am so sorry to tell you that Nicolette and Damien is no longer together. Unfortunately, we just have to go our separate ways, and I am so sorry for the inconvenience caused. Me not make cause I'm not social media. I'm sitting
Give my family some privacy at this time.
Give my family some privacy at this time while we mourn.
I'm more than dead.
The relationship dead. Yeah. Are you crazy? Me not in a no social media problem. Listen, me don't want to talk too much because I don't want to jinx myself. But my man not give me talking. My man not give me trouble. Sometimes my man go up on the road and I say yes. Hey, you know, so true love man will lock down and them stuff. Yes, I'm a big and sour. So I say yes. I go up on TikTok and I do some TikTok and I come on the gram and go on with myself. By the time I quit my man that reach home. So you see when I say I go up on the road, go up on the road, go do it and come back. Him not give you a break. Yeah? Me not really have no problem. Me not have no insecurity problem. I don't have to think about nothing. I don't have to think about no problem. I'm telling them, I don't big up man because a man is embarrassing. I don't big up man. I don't do those things. But me not in a same boat with Uno. You're crazy? I don't know sit down on the yard now. They don't want to wait for a man for the money. But remember when me never have no money, I used to chat to man over friend on Facebook. And them tell me, say them give me 3 grand Wednesday. Wednesday not come on no every day. The man say Wednesday. Me not get to go Western and today. The traffic is on the road. I wait for tracking number till I tell and tracking number can't reach. Me no want to go back in a them stage there. I'm mad. I have to get up and go work. Every single day of my life, I'm gonna get up and work. I'm tired for telling you enough I don't want to run on a business. The best thing for do after work and having a local business wouldn't work. Okay, so when you start a business and you go left your work and go take hype, and that business then not take off, or you go trust out your business that you're going to pay your face and have nothing, oh, you're sure you pay a week time, you don't sure your business sales. The only thing that I can do is depress you. You don't ever want to come by me with Damien though. You don't could have come by me with any other man. That's 6 years me and Damien there. Not even meeting me and Damien that is 7 months. Much less than 6 years. He must have had him good for me there with him for 6 years and fat. So Damien, you have come down again next one, you know. You have to come down. Look how you big me. Every day I cut my husband. Every day. From I meet him, they are the same weight. From the day I meet that man, they are the same weight. He have a little toops belly. Little toops, so I say I meet him. But look at me. From I meet him, I spread well like butter on bread. I spread away. I am a 4-bedroom house with a powder room inside of it and a kitchen and 2 living room. That is me. I'm not for low, man. I'm stay there. My man give me trouble, so I forgot come to me with somebody else. I better don't tell me say never road, cause she is. She give me what me I look for. Showbiz. Hey, I leave them and glad he's making you happy. If no, I'm a class them and every single day. Them say have to go. Have to go. I don't want to bring down nothing bad for my relationship, but if him give me button today, probably that do me a favor. Because I know say if him give me button today, guys, and him gone, I know say me a come out. Me a angle no. I don't want him go give me bun when me have 50 when my body done a melt. You know like the bust up done one day. But your body just melt, every part of she just loose, so you just shake this and it just go like a wave. Me don't want him give me bun when time it's too late. I don't want to call it down for me, but I don't want him give me when it's too late. But I know say if him give me bun and me and him left, guys, I know me gonna come out. Me gonna lose weight. Me I go slim down people, my waist I go in. Me I go do the breast and the breast them I go little. Me just I go look good. And me I go chrome white. I'm gonna be so invisible. When I see me I go white. Listen to me now, man. Listen to me, I don't make me go home and tell him say it unfortunately.
It not work out.
it not work out. When you just go and allow me in my relationship and that me I tell you. Yeah? Oh. So no straight things say the man are my problem and me are my problem. This fat when I allow me alone. So me I cause woman but you fat I'm fat too. It's fat when I allow me alone and that's my biggest problem. So you stay there. No much time gas bust my head back because I'm hungry like that. I may starve myself to lose the weight. No still the things man are the least of my problem. And most this lady started to go through when she sing that song there. Like she said she get fat and she look good and she hot and stuff. And then it's like she get the man now and she see and she start come out back hot. And then she text somebody man so she say I got your man and you can do. You get me cat? If my man left me the man
I park them like Jeep.
You get me? Man at the least me park them like Jeep. Them when me ready now is it that deep? They better go rub me when me go.
Me no worry about it coming off, man. Me worry about it coming off. God,
you have bad influence. You go away.
That day, man, every time come here, pick up my style.
Yeah, that person, amen, is my man. Talk about that. And he's my man too, so he's our man. Let's talk about that. I'm a tough fact friend who since yesterday, amen, I hear man. You know, say, me have a look a party where me want to go. But you know, say, they man I got a theme set of friend them. And me want my set of friend them. So you think me could have go together and make up also? Because sometimes, you know, when me go out, you know, me not the fucking
I'm alright,
mood.
who forget black?
Who forget black? No man I don't want to say they men a fear man, I must shut up. Cause when me come home, me not really in the sex mood. So sometimes I love if you can take that sex day for me. Yeah, girl. You take my part for me. Worse than the man that man come and drunk. You have to take that part there for me, girl. So as I say, like what your man and him a film friend them, me want my set of friend them. So I love me I would like go Mecca. I would have go some places with a roll, girl. And when time him drunk, him just go over to you, girl. Yes. Just make sure say get one little way I call it now. You know them something them medical we call it now. You know like when you get the cut guys and them stitching up but it melting on the skin. When you get one of them they feel all and stretch it and tighten it because I'm used to the tight grip, you know. So you can't go par with me and it big because you see if it big I will go out and him want you, he might go come back at me. And I don't want that. So I want him stay at you. So if you can take my man and you take the sex them for me and me take the love and the money, let's do that. Let's do that.
Let's
do that.
So we get three of them.
So what?
Yeah.
Little pan the rest of them pan large.
You full them up or large on me.
Yeah man, DM me. That's why I'm not black car now, I don't want to lose their contact. DM me girl. May I look fit now, DM me.
What am I gonna eat?
DM me. Oh yeah, I will need a contract. They might write it. They might write my contract them, so I will definitely write it.
Them full of.
Okay.
Just a small one. Look on the extra.
That's why they might give you a boy. This say. I want to pin it right now. You see, no matter when I tell people, boy.
Too enough. DM me, man.
DM me, man. Why am I for DM man? I
leave. Everyone was in her comment. She was being sarcastic. Nikki, I want a face cream. Any in store?
You have a few left, yes? So I have. Yeah, you have 8 left. You wear your ring, people, I get fat left my ring. Jesus Christ, my ring bun me. My ring bun me. It bun my hand. I say when I go for my visa. And you know me and Damon I go there and so we go put our ring. Damon have a ring, I have none. I couldn't even hold it till the visa officer done with me. The ring bun me up. So Damon some of us stretch it. Why don't you stretch your ring and make it bigger? I said to him, so I'm not stretching it because I want it to remind me that I am slim. If I stretch the ring fat each time I get fat, then what does that make me? A big fat girl. So at the end of the day, I need it to be slim. So each time I put it on and it burn me, it tell you, go lose some weight. You're too big. That more. That is what I want, okay? So I will never stretch that ring. Jewelry people, if I come to you for stretch that ring, send me home and tell me to lose some weight. Send me home and tell me to lose some weight. You're too big. So guys, I don't ever. Are you still up? Are you taking this out, Ada? I will never ever. So I don't have it right now, people. When remember time I get married, I'm use the wrong finger. I said, Shad, when they man, they put in me here, they man. Wrong finger. See me? Wrong finger. Wrong finger. But take a long for years. You can't say excited to hear me. Woo! I'll be at this hear me. Woo! So they me say, wrong finger. Deaf ya? See me ya? Give the next finger like me know him. You can't marry me. Me know about marriage, ma.
Wrong finger. Nikki, I forgot to post up on my status later.
Wrong finger. Me know about marriage. Me know which thing. Me never even didn't think say me I got married. So me never think and a plan and I say alright, it's the left hand, is the right hand. I didn't know.
Wrong finger.
How can you put on so much weight? Because I never yam the belly. And you know, so when yam belly put on enough weight to say, who would even know? No fun no chat about yam belly. Me never breed yet. I mean, never one time breed when I have the miscarriage before this. But before, I've never breed yet. Me say when time I do day, man, and my sister me I take somebody serious. You know, I never really have no man. I really love like that. When I say I see myself with growing old. When my sister Ross, me think about it. And when I chat about baby, I say Ross, me never breed yet. But I must even breed one time. I say Jesus Christ, how did me can't have no pitney? So I just started to them and so I think about a surrogate because come and just do my body, I don't think but I mashed up. No time I think I can't breed my love. So I just start to use my head. I think about a surrogate, I think about adoption. And because I think so that well yeah is just not gonna bring life. You get me? It's baby weight and it's food weight. I'm fat before the baby. I'm fatter now. But I'm fat before the baby. You see the fattest part of me and breast. You saw my breast and my head look like the same size. Fattest part of me and my breast. So you see, when I go do that body and go resize the breast and make them look like right here so me I cut off my breast. So you see the whole of your saw come off right here so. So you don't see me? When I go to see two nipple alone on my chest. Aye, right here so. Two nipple. Don't ask me about no more fat again because I two nipple me I put right here so on my chest right here so. And little down my waist. Me I know now this, so I don't have no problem with nipple in my chest. Who think me change? I just busy. And as I said, nobody now send me in. So I don't need to come on live every minute. And remember when we used to come live, we used to address things. If I get trouble, I answer. And if they look a fake friend, them everyone me come sending me things, them I come talk the truth. Cause them would just talk it for make it look fuck up. And then I come talk the truth. Same like how them come chat about money in the account. Them not talk say them did have to free up my account because I never have no money in it from the loan. None. So the bank need have to free it up. A matter of fact, I sue me should I sue them. Cause there's no way for us come lock down my account like that without you having any proof. I true them tell me I get a girl and I not have no lie and them stuff there. Ramp with me now. Ramp with me now and come lock down my account and I'll see. If I not come on here, come thump on the mouth. First thing guys, I'm not gonna ever change because that's my personality. And they may not change me in terms of they man is terrible. I don't know what to say they man is no, I'm feisty. If it's up to him, come on live, come class on every day. They may tell me something for come live within enough time, but I just not have the time and then through my my subscription cause in this happy. And me, I will mute it, my love, should I tell me something? Think you change for the better as a mother and a wife. What is the so what am I supposed to change about myself? If I change my personality, this is just Nikki and I love to be myself. Someone hates and say I love myself, I'm sorry. Change for which better for which mother and which wife. Half an see me up on the road I wear no the naked thing I walk I say yeah this and I see me I walk and check no 150,000 man. Wouldn't see nobody I put me up and I say oh this a man I beat me out or this a man I run through me and me this and me that and me that. This is my personality. So Nikki is always going to be Nikki and this is the reason why I love Cardi B because she don't change. Anybody where money change no used to nothing. Anybody where money and man and them stuff that change, you not used to nothing and you don't real to yourself. Because there's no way you're supposed to have a personality as an Aquarian. I'm an Aquarian. I'm a comedian. I love laugh. I'm all about laughing. If you have a friend and she does always sad and depressed, me I go cut off she. Me not like negativity. Me not like sad girl. I love laugh. I love run joke. I just love happiness. That is me. So I come from life, I go look a joke, I go crack look a joke, and I'm feisty. I'm a feisty Aquarian. I know people love to be shady and try to diss me, and I go answer you because I can't answer you, and I can't rub you. So why should I change that about myself? Then I would be Nikki. I would be so on love says she go like she happy and she unhappy. At them time them that unhappy. If me not be myself. At them time them that unhappy because I can't crack a joke because I'm a wife, I'm a mom. I can't crack a joke with you know. I can't diss a girl if a girl diss me or rub out a girl if I think a girl rough me because I'm a wife, I'm a mother. Me know a mother will worse than me. Me know a mothers were bigger in age than me were worse than me. This is my personality. My fans and my followers and my friends them love Nikki for Nikki. What am I supposed to change? You crazy? I'm not change for no. This is always gonna be Nikki. If today a girl decides that she have trouble me, I'm half time you're gonna class her same way. Or you're not gonna bully me. You're never don't ever think you're gonna bully me. You're mad? You're never gonna bully me. Never. So if I have a next son and life sweet, I may have my private jet with my name, I'm a full white suit with my cane, I'm a hot, I'm gonna come and class you. Okay? I'm gonna come and class you. So I'll never change that. Because that is just me. Yeah, big up Aquarians over here. It's just the truth. You're gonna class you. But I know sometimes I go out some places in Jamaica and some girls give me a bag of attitude. I must diss them. Go to one place and them a give you ever go order something in a Jamaica restaurant or them full of attitude, like one full of so much attitude. Me hate make people feel bad. Like me hate embarrass people, me hate these people, me hate shame people. Unless they deserve it. But I hate doing that. So if somebody come and say serve, I can't get this, I'm gonna say, hold on miss. Or I don't say I'm doing something, I don't like them something there. And if you embarrass me, I got this you. The quickest this you get from me is embarrassment. Once you embarrass me, I'm gonna disrespect you because you make me shame, so you have to go shame too. Me alone I go cry. Me and you I go cry. Here's my younger brother will turn big man.
Fully.
Remember my little brother? My little brother there, sir? Yeah man, me hate attitude man. What do you want girl? I just come in and I just say, hello, can I order or something there? Here, miss, I am doing something. Me don't know what to argue. I say, why you not go suck your mother and come out to a different place and go on here if you don't want to work, man? Big and loud, everybody look up at me and bust out a laugh. Ignorant, she don't answer me. You know she doesn't serve you so quick. They have to diss some of them people, have to get some respect from them. And I love when people diss some. Yeah, they're new. Remember, I be a ticket up on the internet, you know? Oh, I be a ticket up on the internet. And that's why some of them girls feel like them can't size up with you. Or them there in a higher level with you. When them see some local followers. I be a ticket who not have a follower. And that's why when I start some business, somebody not support it. I be a little people who not have a follower and I tell you no about of things and not make trouble other people. Them little ticket and not have no money. I rather a big woman with big supporters and people have sense and know their mindset. Don't penny in your face, you know. Guys, none cannot come talk about me and I got hurt, you know. Don't black me, cause me not black uno, cause I want to see my shine. Me want to see my shine. And I not stop see it. When you eat girl for what? When you eat no friend them for what? Nothing. I'm just shady. Piss me off. So I come on live, them come with them fake page. Some of them me and no was friends. So I know your fake page's name, and that is why I answer you. I know no fake page name them, and I always come with the 1945 things, because I don't know the 2024 things them. So I go come with the 1945 things them. I know it born on so no about me for sending, you know. I know it born on so I don't know about me for sending every day. Nobody was sending something. See, I look a shirt there every minute. Me see it all about. It bone no though. Yeah, it's for bone no. Yes, when a girl art clean and a girl no style them friend and a girl no diss them friend in a certain way, I'm gonna do no malicious nothing too, no. You're not gonna see me shine. You get me? Yeah. Yeah. And that with me, that's why I'm gonna come live now. I'm combo shirt. I'm left arm shirt gonna pants, left arm pants gonna brief. I know me reach eyebrows here. That's why I'm not come live. People, my clothes them, I'ma forget. Them not clear yet and I'm leaving. I would like you guys to DM me some clothes to sell good quality clothing. I want an outfit. This is why I came on the road. I want a good outfit today to go to the airport. Nikki now answer one. But no, there's no question I'm afraid for answer. You didn't know that? There's no question I'm afraid for answer, but there's question I'm not have to answer. That's just the difference. And can't press me and can't program me. So there's question I'm not have to answer. But there's no question I'm afraid for answer. You're crazy. No, I can't back me against no one. I don't have no deep dark things in my closet. I don't have deep dark things in my closet. And even if I have deep dark things in my closet, that is my past. And a girl carries my past, come to my present, come argue with me. You mad? You have to come up on my level. I got my necklace and the people in my always sell the look of gold things them on the side of the box. So you know me, I don't buy a brand. All them ears in here, I think $100 feet a ton. The dearest thing is this watch and I'm a man on. Me no wear brand. Me no spend pan brand, my love. When me would spend pan a wig, clothes, and phone, and a desert stop. What you think about threesome with a personal man? I want to a dirty pumpkin pie. It was a question my personal life. So you can't go up on one different page and come question me say no look like you just want to ask me about a thing. So I want to a woman. And that's the thing, you know, someone have to know my personality. You don't think me a class and I'm not even a class, you know. Like, what I think about threesome, but don't tell them say I don't do threesomes. You know that from a longer time. I don't do threesomes. I don't do that. A whole heap of things don't say about out and in the future now me I do it. But I don't think I would ever be able to do that. Me share my man. First thing, I think that put a man too high. But I know about Uno, but I think that put a man too high for no say I have two girl. Are you okay with that? No, ma'am, I think I put that man there too high, and you know, my husband deserve to get put high, you know, but
Hello.
yeah, no, but that's different.
How can I assist?
Put high in terms of respect. But I think you guys just go too hard when it comes down to man, like, you know, put man above on yourself and no eat, breathe, and sleep, man. Listen, people know over and you know. And one of the people is definitely not me. Show one in a one. And do that. It's not always about the man, then what is it about? So on site name big old Nikki me block them. Bye. Go and cry. Go and cry. I mean I tell you say people where you see me call them PJ and go so far. Some ex people. Them alone person.
I'm not sure. Sit down there. In front of me.
Go on fast, man.
I'm not sure.
And that's why I forgot to do. I gotta do that before I leave. All of them. Waiting for black.
Tell her bye.
Nikki, sorry to be the one to tell you, but Damien isn't as faithful as you think. Even the last email you hired to cook a while back, he slept with and she came and spoke. The last email with me, I have to cook the woman. I not even want disrespect her if you're on the live. I am so sorry, but the woman don't even have. The woman have one teeth in. Wait till walk class woman. The woman have one teeth in her front. To be honest, so if it's a case, why am I going to do with that one teeth woman over this a nice girl? Nah, have nothing to do with me, my love. Just make she come give me the proof so me can left him. Cause me no want no man. We want. Listen, go on here, lady. Go on. Go on, actually, man in my store, make me in a class. You might come out, you wait. Not to disrespect the man, come out. Not to disrespect the people them will work for me. But the people that work for me, I wasn't looking for anybody with looks. I was looking for some persons with talent. I don't want you to draw me out to disrespect the people them. Based on the people that I look for, what do it so far, there are some funny looking persons. You see, if my man will stoop to that level and leave this a pretty face, a tight front princess here, for them the woman there, him and the whole of them have to pack up and go. Them have to pack up and go. Me tell you this with me and you. Yes, when a man leave mine, me not drop on my face. None tall. With him, without him, me not drop on my face. Who no believe in a man more than I believe in myself. And me not in them stuff there. Me not believe in a man more than I believe in myself. So if me know today how much? August 13th, say my man a give me money, I go today too.
So take the one off and show if you carry.
The one can, alright. Even I forgot today, August 13, 2024, and I have to leave. Remember, you know, in my females, me have my house, you know, me not have to stay in a house in order not to get put out. We live together in the same places, so sometimes I'm at my house together, sometimes we're at his house together. I don't have to stay there, none tall, or else I don't have nowhere to live. I don't need him to pay for my groceries in the month. I don't need him to pay for my bills. I don't need him to put money into my pocket. I don't need him to buy me a wig. I don't need him to do my nails. I don't need him to do nothing that I need. I don't need him to buy me KFC, because I can just go KFC. I can just go KFC tomorrow and go buy some food. Or I can go in a KFC, everybody in the line will buy them a piece of chicken. Everybody. So I'm not in the same category with Uno, where if no man a treat to no bad or a deal with no bad, you have to stay. Yeah. Remember, the only thing I know about me with the man is when I go up on the cruise and the man thump me in my blood clot eye. And I left the same time. I never stay. Someone would have stay. And all him did a message and a text and a tell me say, oh, this, da, 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 da. I did not stay. I not stay in and nothing. Me not stay in and nothing.
Remember when I need someone for sleep?
Exactly. Remember when I need someone for sleep at night time. When I need someone for sleep, when I need food for eat. When I go through them stuff. Then I went time I did go through them stuff. I never used to suck up things. I never grew up to see my parents that suck up things on people. So I'm not suck up things. It's not that sponge. Business and our things them and our good front and our pretty daughter and our look good husband and our whole heap of stuff them. You realize that from a cut off people who cannot see nothing about me, nobody cannot send in anything about me. No pregnancy picture no leak, no this no leak, no that no leak. My name not up on the business. Me nah no girl around me so them can't send in none of my business, and that's one of the things that will hurt them. You saw them company meet about talk about how you put the money into this account and talk about how you can know the ex friend them. That's how my answer now. I can know no. And una alone bring up the things them from a long time because I don't have nothing new pan girl. So una alone have to bring up some things from a long time when I know girl because I don't have nothing new. Yes, and I can't wait for someone come live for go behind on a fake page and go I can't wait for someone come live for go on a fake page and do that. Because you can't test me in a real life. You can't come on a real page and test me. You can't come on a real page and test me because you don't have my ambition. You don't have my drive. You don't have my focus. You don't have none of that. So I have to go back on a fake page when it comes on to Nikki, and I cannot beat me. You can't beat me, you know. Probably you know win, you know, because I'm fat. But I beat you no back and I get it hotter. Because remember, I not stay lick. Oh, I not lick no girl. Me not lick no girl because I look lick them now, but I don't get broke up. Well, Tara. Your biggest enemies are people you used to be cool with. You see girl them where you don't really know, them we not like you know. But then when them kind of sit down and listen to you and see you, kind of girl women know not like me. And when them see me, them go on like them like me. Or them will hear us look at thing and say, no, so I never like that girl, but I like her now. And them come off for the 8 train. You see girl them we used to chat to? Them not gonna like you when you're dead. And when you're funeral, them a come eat you same way you gone. Them girl they nah ever like you. Never. And ask the girl them when you do them can't tell you. Not one friend can come and say Nikki do them this, or Nikki do them that, or Nikki do them this, or Nikki do them that. I dare one of you for come give a story about what Nikki do know. I dare one of you for come give a story when Nikki do know a frig up. I dare one of you guys. Me for life on TikTok. You know what I know for TikTok though?
You see when you put them by, you see if you send them the email.
The man should get under my skin with that voice note there.
You see the receipt, if you send it to them email, we can't eat it now, you have to do it. It asks you one code. I try to do it.
You put in your code?
No, yeah, our code now go in.
So
like if you want to send somebody the receipt to them email, you have to give one code.
Oh, I'm going to try message that. I'm going to try use that then. People are going to eat top class. You know that girl, she name really best topic. She still name so.
What's she say?
And if me still name Nikki, imagine out of that Eve.
No, Tisha. Oh, that's my friend, right? My girl going over there work.
What do you with your later about all the 3 cases of juice go? You better go ask somebody for the life, make them go buy note and send you that. I also still going to talk about that 3 cases of juice thing. And yes, remember I know you have a juice $80. 80 times 24, that is 1920. So when you check it up, I have juice cheaper. That is 5,700. Feel like I'm gonna do the Christmas cake because this, you know, that look something I'm not liking. Anyway, she said she good pan Christmas cake and whatever, and we can't have a cake business and we not have Christmas. It take a very long time before me say me I will come out with it. I ask some person, them say do cake too, so you can't make your bike business come in here, cake business. I said okay. Went now, she did the cake them, I will have the cake. So me have my cake, Dana have your cake. My sales to my cake here come nowhere near Dana cake because it's a Dana thing every single year. I realize a fair thing this every year people look forward for your cake. So fine, now me have my beer company delivering my cake, delivering Miss Dana's cake. When that incident happened, I was not in the store. There is a lady that used to work for me. You need to come tell the truth. She named Kate. I gotta look for your name. Don't make a look for your name and send it out to them. She popular up on Instagram, you know, be a TikTok, she make and be something, you know. And I just can't understand more while all some people sit down and make some people take some beating in them back for them, you know, and feel them fuck and them just sit down and live them life regular, you know. Like, me can't do that. She up on Instagram, she up on TikTok, she big right now on TikTok. I would like you to come tell a story so this can come off of me. I need to own up, take some accountability. I was not even in the friggin' store when the whole incident happened. So, oh, you feel so comfortable to sit down for me, then I class me. For years, I saw me tea for cake or whatever with her cake or however she said I want to do it. I'm never even there. Anyways, what had happened now? With the delivery service, Dana did start, I think, give her cake them to bear them from overnight and in the morning or whatever they would have delivered. So therefore the bear have my cake, the bear have Miss Dana cake, right? So I guess now she did have one woman who message her from early. I think woman come from foreign. She messaged her from early and she said, hey, I want you to save 4 of the cakes for me. And she said she's going to save the 4 cakes for the woman, right? So now it look like say through the store I go busy, I sale, I go come remember say me have cream I sell, me have clothes I sell, me have all different type of things I sell. Things them I sell now and she go sell off the woman cake, so she did have must 2 left or 3. One out of them she have 3 of Mr. Dana cake left and she sell it out. The woman there now and it look like say she's stressed out. She's stressed out. I think she called me and she said, Nikki, one lady there and the woman promised me woman 4 cake and a 3 alone I have left. So she said to her, say, I wonder if I could have put your cake pint. I said to her, say, no. I said, call the woman and explain to her that you have that left. Is it that she's going to take 3 or she going to take she going to take our additional panel? She not call the woman none tall. So you know what she do? I think she take off my crumb cake label off of my cake. Remember, me not be a cake, you know, I don't really give a fuck about cake. This cake business is really for somebody. I don't really make no money off of the cake business. It's just a little extra income. She take my label off of my cake and send the woman the 4 cakes them. So she send 3 of Miss Dana cakes and the 1 for which is mine and take off the label. Nobody didn't tell her to do that. I would never ever tell her to do something like that. Because number 1, Miss Donna label would have on her cake? That would have make no sense. Do you have an extra piece of Miss Donna label for put on it? I didn't tell her none of that. She went ahead and give the woman it. The woman reached out to Miss Donna and said to Miss Donna, say she get 3 cake. One of them is good, tastes good, and one of them the texture is different. It's watery, it's this, it's that, and then Miss Donna steered on the place. That not my cake. Nikki Chromaz TV cake. Me no day at the store. Me remember me dey on the road. So your name can get in a blood clip baga and you know dead there. Me say Miss Lady, you're famous on TikTok. And remember at that time I protected your identity. Now it got